Videolancer's Transitions, it's the original package of the most popular seamless transitions. Tens of thousands of filmmakers, TV broadcasters, and bloggers have already appreciated it and saved millions of hours on video production. The package includes more than 1,000 presets for every day. They are zoom transitions, hand transitions, glitch, 3D box, shape, warp, light leaks, and many others. Just choose a preset and drop it into the timeline. All of this work with any resolution, regardless of the aspect ratio of your video project. Test Videolancer's Transitions right now. Try a free demo version. Videolancer's Transitions are the very transitions you've been looking for. Next, I will show you how to use the new version of Transitions. The project file for every category of transitions includes different media files, such as sound effects and video preview. When transitions are imported into your project, a missing media notification window can appear. So you don't have this trouble, open the file with transitions and just resave it. Now Premiere Pro will remember the media files path. For these presets to work correctly, transition resolution must match the resolution of your project. Full HD resolution is used for these transitions by default. If your project has another resolution, for example 4K, you should do some simple steps. So import the transitions into your project. Right-click the sequence, change resolution, and select Sequence Settings. Here, set the resolution that complies with your project. In order not to change the resolution every time, you can save the file with certain resolutions like a preset. To do this, open Default File with Transitions. Then change the resolution and save this file with a new name. To preview the transition, open the folder with the Set and Switch to Icon View mode. When you move the cursor over the icon, the transition animation will be displayed. Now drag and drop the transition into your sequence, so that the cut is on the joint of two clips. If the layer with the stock preview is imported into your sequence instead of the transition, you should just change the settings on the timeline panel. First of all, make sure that this switch is off. Then select the preset on the project panel and make sure that all the tracks are switched on. The first track should be off, as it takes unnecessary preview layer in preset sequence. Now everything is working fine. That is all for today. I do hope this package of transitions will save you time for video making. If you have any troubles with our product, don't hesitate to contact us. We respond to all requests. Well, that was VideoLancer. See you later.